Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a surf fishing rod holder. Now, when I show you how to make this, you're going to make a couple of them, right? So go ahead and buy you about a 10-foot stick of 1.5-inch pipe. You can go to Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, any store that would carry plumbing material is going to have 1.5-inch pipe, all right? So after you get your 1.5-inch pipe, go ahead and grab yourself a marker, tape measure. Then you're either going to need a sawzall or you can use a chop saw that you got at the house. The first thing you're going to want to do is set your saw to a 45-degree angle. So I already put mine at 45. You're going to take your pipe, right? You're going to go ahead and stick it on your block, just like this. And you're going to go ahead and chop it. And as you see, what that's done is that's gave you a perfect 45-degree angle so that you can anchor them into the ground, right? So then what I want you to do is after you got your 45-degree angle, you're going to take your tape measure. I want you to pull back and mark 3 feet. 3 feet is the perfect height that you want to take with you to the beach when you're surf fishing. And like I said, you can use this at the lake or the pond, it doesn't matter, but typically you'll see these on the beaches, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. I'll show you. I'm pulling from the furthest tip right here. I'm going to 36 inches. Made my mark. So now what I'm going to do is position my saw back to 0 gauge. I'm going to put that right on my line, just like that. Now you got this in your flat end, right? So obviously this is going to dig down into the sand, and then you'll put your fishing rod right inside. And I'm about to show you what it'll look like. Okay, say you're at home and you want to make one of these, but you don't have an expensive miter saw or chop saw lying around the shop. Chances are you got a buddy somewhere that might have a sawzall, or you even might have a sawzall at home, right? If you don't know what a sawzall is, simply explained, it's a saw that saws all. You know what I mean? Alright, so what I want you to do is you're going to place your pipe down. You're going to take your sawzall. You're going to come at the end and you're going to cock it about a 45-degree angle, right? And then you're going to cut it. As you can see, you get about the same results. It's much cleaner with the chop saw or miter saw, but it's not no different either. So we're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull from your furthest tip right here, pull back 3 feet, 36 inches, and cut it flush. So let's go ahead and do that real fast. Once you got your 3 feet mark, put your sawzall, and you're just going to cut it flat down. And boom, just like that, you got you a surf rod holder. Okay, so let's pretend that we're on the beach. This is all wet sand and stuff, so it's going to be much easier than my hard packed dry ground. But you're going to take your rod holder just like this. And when you find your fishing spot, away from kids, away from the public, on the beach, you want to stab it into the ground, just like that, right? That's already holding on its own, right? but the weight of your rod and tackle is going to really bend that thing. So what you want to do is twist it into the ground. Like I said, it's much easier when it's an actual beach or soft dirt or ground. As you can see, I got that in the ground. Now on the surf, it'll probably go a little further down because it's so wet sand, you know. I'm showing you a quick example. You get your rod holder where you want it. You can go out, cast your line, let your drag off, come back some, tighten up your line, and then voila. You can sit back and enjoy the beach while you're waiting for your rod to bend. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's episode of How To with Matt Waters. Hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you know a better way to do it. Y'all have a great day.